This online calculator will give you a general idea of the value Egnyte can provide to your organization. The calculator includes 5 simple drop-down fields. If your organization has a global footprint, add the location of your headquarters. Then add number of employees, number of job sites, total amount of data storage needed in terabytes, and a projected annual data growth rate. If you want to provide more granular attributes for the calculator, you can define additional assumptions here. Upon populating these key fields, you'll notice the TCO comparison chart will automatically populate with values. Easily toggle between the 1-year and 3-year TCO comparison. If you change any of the values in the calculator, this chart will dynamically update as well. Scroll down to see a high-level breakdown of cost savings across 3 dimensions: reducing existing spend, increasing employee productivity, and reducing risk while maintaining compliance. In order to receive a more detailed copy of your report, click Get Report and input your information on this form. You'll then receive an automated email with a link to access your full report. This tool can be used to quickly and easily provide a starting point for economic conversations in your organization. For more accurate value analysis, we can also conduct an in-depth study tailored to your specific situation and needs. I hope this tool gives you a strong foundation of the economic value and savings associated with the Egnyte platform. If you have any additional questions, contact us at egnyte.com.